Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give like, share it and give comments.
7th Standard Term 3 Exploring Continents Geography First Lesson North America and South America. In the previous parts we have seen about the North America. Now we are going to see about South America. In the South America we are going to see about agriculture. More than half of the people of South America live by farming. They follows subsistence agriculture. It means that is the subsistence farming is done by the family members and also for the family purpose. Most of the areas are covered by forests like Amazon basin. Only three countries, the Argentina, Uruguay and Brazil, have well developed agriculture. So in the South American continent, Argentina, Uruguay and Brazil are the countries have the developed agriculture. Argentina is one of the leading agricultural countries of South America. Cash crops like coffee, cocoa, sugarcane, banana and cotton are grown in this continent. So like coffee, cocoa, sugarcane, banana, cotton are the famous crops. They grows well in the continent. Fisheries in South America. Peru is one of the world's largest producers of fish. Coastal fishing and inland fishing are done in South America. River Amazon is a great aquarium. As many as 750 varieties of fish inhabit this river. Minerals. South America is rich in minerals. These minerals deposits are unevenly distributed. South America has many valuable deposits of minerals, particularly iron ore, manganese, petroleum, copper, and bauxite. Petroleum. Venezuela is rich in petroleum deposit. Argentina, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, and Bolivia are the other valuable oil fields. Petroleum is only mineral produced enough quantity. Argentina is almost self-sufficient in petroleum. Venezuela is one of the world's leading producers of oil and largest oil exporter. Industries. Industries in South America have developed slowly. Argentina, Brazil, and Chile are the most highly developed industrial countries in this continent. So, Argentina, Brazil, Chile are the most highly developed industrial countries in the South American continent. Trade and transport. South America has important role in the world trade. More than half of the South American trades are shared by Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, Peru and Chile. So in the South America's trades is shared by the following countries like Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, Peru and Chile. South America's major exports are sugar, coffee, cocoa, tobacco, beef, corn and so on. Then South America's products include mostly exported to North America and Europe and mostly imported from North America and Europe to South America. That is, import products are paper, textiles, pharmaceuticals, vehicles and so on. Unlike North America, South America still doesn't have an adequate transportation network. Efforts have been made to improve both the connection within the countries and the outside the countries for the transportation facilities. Population. South America contains the world's most mixed population. Many people in South America are descendant or ancestor from Europeans. particularly from the European continent, Spanish people and Portuguese people who came and settled in South America during the 15th century. The descendants of Africans slaves brought over by the Europeans. Native people still live in the mountains and rainforest, and also they are keeping their own languages and traditions. There are three groups or the three major races of the people are living in the South America. The three major races are: first one American Indian, second one European, third one blacks, that is Africans. The mixed population of native Indians and Europeans together, which is known as mestizo, 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 mestizo. These people are from the native Indians and the Europeans. Then second category, the mixed population of Europeans and blacks, which is called as mulatto, Mulato, mulatto. Mulatto means the mixed population of European and blacks. Then third category, Zambo, that is mixture of native Indians and blacks, who is called as Zambo. Zambo, it means mixture of native Indians and blacks, who is called as Zambo, Zambo. These kind of the people are living in the South America. South America is positioned 5th rank in the total population among the continents. Among all the continents, South American population goes to the 5th rank in the worldwide. Languages and religions. Portuguese and Spanish are the primary languages in South America, and other languages also used by South Americans like Dutch, French, English, German and Hindi. Religion, that is Christianity, is the major religion in South America, and other religions also follows in South America like Hinduism and Islam.